Tired of your crypto sitting idle in MetaMask? Let's get it moving to an exchange. First, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the cryptocurrency you want to send. For this example, we'll use Ether, also known as ETH. Click on the asset to proceed. Now, hit the send button. This will take you to the address input screen, where you'll need the exchange deposit address. Head over to your chosen exchange. I'm using Binance here. Navigate to the deposit section and select the corresponding cryptocurrency and network. Ensure the network matches what you're using in MetaMask. Usually Ethereum mainnet for ETH and most ERC-20 tokens. Copy the provided deposit address carefully. Back in MetaMask, paste the exchange deposit address into the recipient address field. Triple check the address. Even a single wrong character can result in lost funds. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Be mindful of your available balance and any potential gas fees. Next, you'll see the estimated gas fees. These fees pay for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. You can usually choose between low, medium, and high. A higher fee usually means a faster transaction. Select an option that balances speed and cost. Review all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. Make absolutely sure everything is correct. The address, the amount, the gas fee. Once you're confident, click confirm. MetaMask will display a transaction pending notification. You can click on this notification to view the transaction details on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. On Etherscan, you'll see the transaction status. It will initially show as pending and then update to success once it's confirmed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the network congestion and the gas fee you paid. Finally, check your exchange account. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the deposited ETH should appear in your account balance. And that's it. Remember, security is paramount. Always double check addresses, use reputable exchanges, and never share your private keys. Now go forth and transfer your crypto with confidence.